Hey there, are you looking for a way to make some extra cash? Well, have you heard of affiliate marketing? It's a great way to earn money by promoting products you love. Here's how it works. You sign up to become an affiliate for a company and they give you a special link to promote their products. You share this link on your website, social media, or anywhere else you want, and when someone clicks on it and buys something, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Now, the key to being a successful affiliate marketer is to choose the right products to promote. You want to pick something that you genuinely like and believe in, so that your enthusiasm shines through when you promote it. Plus, it's easier to convince people to buy something if you truly believe it's a great product. Another important factor is to target the right audience. If you have a blog about cooking, for example, it wouldn't make sense to promote a product about car parts. Instead, you'd want to promote cooking products or tools that your audience would be interested in. But, perhaps the most important aspect of affiliate marketing is to build trust with your audience. You want people to trust your recommendations, so it's important to be honest and transparent. If there's something you don't like about a product, be sure to mention it. People will appreciate your honesty and trust you more because of it. So, there you have it, affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's a great way to earn some extra money while promoting products you love. Just remember to choose the right products, target the right audience, and be honest with your recommendations. Happy promoting!